Welcome to Quetta's View. Hi guys, here's some things I needed to get started on my project. A paintbrush, some white exterior paint from Walmart, a clean rag, and some water, just in case I mess up. Oh, and a ladder. I got started pretty early in the morning. I would say to paint all of the trim that we trimmed the outside windows in the front yard took about, I'll say about 3 or 4 hours because I had to do 2 coats. And I was up and down that ladder all day and my legs were so sore at the end. So I hope you enjoy watching this footage of me giving my house a facelift or a makeover. Thank you so much for watching. So this is the finished product. I absolutely love it. I feel like it looks more like a house, and I'm glad we decided to trim out the windows because one of the other things that we were considering was to put like shutters, and I just wanted to do something different. So also leave me a comment about, do you like shutters on houses better than trimming out windows? I see now more of like people are going towards trimming out windows, and I just thought it would be something different because in the house I live in now there's shutters, and I mean it's nice, but you know, I like to do different things. You'll find that out about me, how you feel I'm doing on this channel so far. I'm trying to get better with my editing, and I don't know, it's been a fun process. I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. So I will be starting something new. I am going to do a story time on my channel at least once a week, hopefully. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I am so thankful that you've joined my family and are watching my view on my DIY stuff so far. So I hope to see you soon in the next video, and until then, bye-bye.